Apes. Today we're going to be installing Node via NVM on Ubuntu 20.04. So first I'm going to check to see if I have anything installed. I don't. And it gives you the option to install Node directly via sudo apt install node.js. But to get more flexibility, you can use what's called Node Version Manager, which allows you to install multiple different versions at the same time. So that's what we're going to do. To install this, you need curl, which I think I probably have. Okay, so we're going to download the installation script from this link here and run it. Okay, so it's not found yet, so I'm going to restart the terminal. Okay, there it is. So when we're using NVM, we can run NVM list to show all the versions we have installed. In this case, we don't have any. If you want to install the long-term support version, you just go NVM install long-term support. Okay, so you can see it's set the default to the long-term support version with the latest. But let's say we want to install the long-term support Carbon version. Alright, so there it is. Our default is still set to version 14. Currently we're using version 8. So if I go to run this here, it'll show that Node version 8 is being used. So if you want to switch between different Node versions, you can use the version number. If within that version number you have, say, 10 and 12, you'd have to specify that. But since we only have one version of 8 installed, we can use this. Same to switch back to 14. You can also, to switch back to 14, you can use either this, that, this, or just the number. Okay, so we're using version 14. Now let's say we want to uninstall version 8. All you would do, that's it. So let's assume you want to now uninstall NVM. This is what you have to do. NVM deactivate. And now you want to delete the .nvm directory from your home directory. If you can't see it, hit Control-H. That'll show your hidden folders and files. So now opening a new terminal, check to see if it's there. It's not. Neither is Node. And there you go. That's NVM, a convenient way of installing and using different Node versions. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, like and subscribe, and have a good one.